So when you're facing this problem, what you have to do first is you just restart your device. When you restart your device and it's still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, you have to try to search for apps and notification or apps and preferences are the same, but it depends on the device you're using. So just tap on it. So when you get over here, what you have to do is to tap on see your apps. And now when you get over here, you have to scroll to search for the name of the app. But if you can't find it, or if you're having a lot of apps over here, what you have to do is to just tap on the search apps over here. Then you search info HMRC, and you're going to see the app over here. Then you tap on it to open it. When you open it, you're going to get into the app info of this app. So what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Now what you have to do is to tap on notifications to make sure this show notification is turned on. So after that, go back and tap on permissions and make sure the camera permission is allowed and also the storage permission is also allowed. After doing this, what you have to do next is to tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache and go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. So after turning on the background data, what you have to do next is to go to Google Play Store and tap on this update that you're seeing over here on your phone screen. So when you tap on the update, it's going to load and you're going to get your app reinstalled on your device, and this problem is going to get fixed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.